In this video, you'll learn how to effectively close background apps on your Pixel 5. This process helps manage system performance and ensures your device runs smoothly. First, unlock your Pixel 5 and swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Hold your finger on the screen briefly until the Recent Apps menu appears. This menu displays all the applications currently running in the background, allowing you to scroll through the list and view each app. Identifying which apps you want to close is crucial for managing performance. Next, to close an individual app, simply swipe up on the app card you wish to remove. This action effectively closes the app from active memory. You can repeat this process for any other apps you want to close. Keep in mind that closing unused apps can enhance your device's speed and free up system resources. However, be cautious not to close any important apps that you may still need. After closing individual apps, you might want to clear all running apps at once. To do this, scroll to the end of the recent apps list where you will find the option labeled Clear All. Tap this option to close all running apps simultaneously. This method is particularly useful for quickly refreshing your device without having to swipe up on each app individually. Once you have cleared all apps, you can return to the home screen. You may notice an improvement in responsiveness and overall performance of your Pixel 5. This process not only helps in managing apps, but also contributes to a more efficient operation of your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.